Hello, this is Andre. I'm the owner of a social media management tool and a scheduler tool called SchedPilot. You can see SchedPilot.com, schedule plus pilot, SchedPilot. It's a social media management tool, has AI capabilities. You can use AI agents, has API MCP. But right now I'm going to show you a workflow that I use to create shorts and publish them to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all the good stuff, if I can say so, if shorts are good stuff. I already loaded some of the videos that I want to test. These 4 videos that I have. Basically, we will use a Stitch video editor, create a new project. I will choose from the library my videos. These are the first parts of the final video. I will choose the Stitch video. I already shoot that a few days ago. Basically, you can shoot like small intro videos, like 10-15 seconds, where you can do variations of the same thing and stitch the base. In the base video, I'm basically presenting the application. In this case, this is my own application. And from here, my application, my scheduler does the speech to text automatically. So you only need to choose how big the text it is, how many words per row. And basically we can start. We have the 4 videos here, and I think we can start. Yeah, basically this is the thing. Obviously you can load like 50 videos or whatever and create material for the whole month, like the 2 months. Yeah, it's pretty easy. It took me like 5 minutes to shoot these 4 videos. I actually got 10 videos, but now I'm testing with 4. And obviously the stitched clip took me a bit longer. The idea is to obtain like 1-2 minutes videos that I can post to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, X, whatever. Right now I will start the process. Basically it takes a few minutes for each video, so I will pause this video for now and get back when all these are done to show you like the complete result and process. Right now it's stitching. You see you have information for each stage of the process. Basically after stitching the videos, it does the speech to text. Then you can approve the text or make corrections or whatever. I will show you that part as well, and pause this video for a bit and come back in just a second. Yeah, so I'm back with some updates. You see we already got the script for the first video. Okay, so I'm back. This is the process. We already have the transcripts for each video. I'm going to review. Basically I'm checking to make sure everything is correct. You see that the transcribing service makes some mistakes. For example, this should be ChatGPT. It also depends how clearly you talk, how the sound is, stuff like that. But I think it's okay. Okay, looks good. Now it's burning the captions. Let's check the second video. Mama, right, correct. You can make open claw. See, yeah, basically does this kind of stuff. Sometimes most of the time it's correct, but yeah, looks good. Now we review the third one. Application, ChatGPT, OpenClaw. You see here it identified pretty okay. So okay, seems okay. I mean, this can be also put on fast forward, so you can you see the first one is done. Let's review the last one. See OpenClaw. What else? Okay. You can also make corrections. For example, this, you put the application name with a .com or whatever. Yeah, I think it works pretty okay. Now it's a matter of making sure it's not saying something stupid or understanding something stupid. Yeah, so let's see how this works. If all good, then we should have all the videos ready in a few minutes. Now it's adding captions for the second one. I will pause right now and show you how it looks at the end. Hopefully this will not be long. You see the second one is already done. And yeah, meanwhile I can show you how these videos look like, because I have made a bunch of these videos. You see I'm posting them to like tens of accounts. Here, no, this was done with CapCut, so we need a new one. So basically I have videos scheduled up to the month of August. Let's see if this is the one. Yeah, I think this is the one. You see, this is me talking. This is like a small like 15-second video, and then stitched together with the main video that explains how the app works. So basically you can create like lots of variations, have one video a day. Probably takes you like an hour to film for the whole month. Yeah, and it works for any kind of application, so, or service or whatever. Yeah, obviously you need to find the subjects. If you don't have like inspiration and stuff like that, you can always create like a workflow with N8N, stuff like that. You can connect SchedPilot API with it has an MCP, so you can connect it with Claude. You have all the documentation here, but basically this process makes it more natural for me, at least, because having like AI generated videos, that kind of sucks still. I don't know what will be in the future, but for me this for now it kind of sucks. Okay, so our videos are ready. I'm going to schedule them. Obviously you need to write. You see I have 49 social media accounts connected, so I would want to put them in TikTok, maybe in all 4 of them. Put them on YouTube. Why not all 4 of them? Yeah, maybe LinkedIn. Yeah, obviously Facebook. I think Facebook is the new TikTok of a few years ago. Lots of people use it. Instagram, obviously, not garden wise tips, but okay. Twitter, maybe. Yeah, okay, goes. LinkedIn, all are added. Let me see how is my schedule whenever I can, because I don't want to have too many videos a day. So I think I can start on the 2nd of August because all these days are full. So I will set them one day apart on the 2nd of August. So 2nd of August at maybe, I don't know, 6 a.m. works. And now I need to write all these captions, all the titles, obviously, to make it relevant. So yeah, let me do that and come back. Yeah, so basically I'm back. I'm using Claude for some inspiration. I basically wrote one title and one description, and we'll use Claude with Fable 5 obviously to generate like 4 variations of these. And let's see if it gives me something good. Okay, obviously this can be turned into an N8N workflow, for example, but I don't like that too much because you do not have control and it could easily say something bad, and you cannot control that, and you see that only after. Obviously you can do like a manual approval, something like that, but if I'm manually approving stuff, then I might as well do it manually anyway. But again, overall, this can take me like 1 hour to schedule content for the whole month, which is amazing in my view. Yeah, social media management. Yeah, I'm adding social media management keywords because I want to target all these social media managers. Again, I'm promoting my own app. So right now, everything is in place. I have all my accounts. I don't want Pinterest, or maybe I do. No, I don't. I don't want Pinterest. Threads, no, I don't. Blue Sky, Twitter. Yeah, I think I have everything in place. Let's add the LinkedIn pages because my application supports LinkedIn pages as well. Yeah, let's see. So it's scheduling. We now can see all the scheduled posts. Yeah, let's go to the calendar. Hopefully we can see all our posts. You see on the 2nd. Oh yeah, I added a lot of accounts. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this goes well. Already started a new TikTok account. By the way, this is the pricing. I think this is very affordable pricing for such a tool. So don't forget SchedPilot.com. You can also use Google SchedPilot, and it's the first result. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video was very helpful for you guys and whoever wants to automate this social media posting process and control. And see you in the next one. Thanks.